This 2017 Forest River Georgetown 3 Series 30X3 is a Class A RV. It is located in Norman, Oklahoma, 73072 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor kitchen. This 2017 Forest River Georgetown 3 Series 30X3 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.